What happens if you mix vinegar, water, baking soda, toothpaste, lemon, and WD-40, and even heat it up? It may sound strange, but the result will surprise you. Today, we're creating a powerful homemade cleaner that reacts, bubbles, and transforms before your eyes. Most people never try this, but you'll see why it works like magic. Stay until the end. The science behind this is fascinating. Now it's time for the fun part. Add 1 spoon of baking soda into the bowl. The moment it touches the liquid, it starts to bubble and fizz. Look at that reaction. Beautiful and satisfying, right? That's carbon dioxide being released as the baking soda reacts with the vinegar. This process helps lift dirt and grease, making it an excellent base for deep cleaning. Have you ever seen such a strong natural reaction before? Next, carefully pour the mixture into a small pot or heat-resistant container. Place it on low heat and let it warm up gently. You'll notice light steam rising. That means the reaction is intensifying. The heat helps release even more cleaning power by activating the acetic acid in vinegar. But be careful, don't let it boil too much. Always use gloves and handle hot liquids safely. Once the mixture cools slightly, pour it back into the bowl. Now, add 1 spoon of toothpaste and mix it well. The paste gives the solution a creamy texture, perfect for polishing metal or tiles. Toothpaste acts like a soft scrub, gentle but surprisingly effective. Have you ever thought that something made for your teeth could also clean tools and metal? Next, take a fresh lemon and cut it carefully. Always watch your fingers when using a knife. Safety first. The acid from the lemon boosts the cleaning power and adds a natural shine to any surface. Plus, it gives the cleaner a fresh, citrusy scent that everyone loves. Have you ever noticed how lemon can cut through grease so easily? That's exactly what's happening here. By the way, where are you watching from? We love hearing from creative people around the world. Tell us your country in the comments and let us know if you'd try this experiment yourself. And now comes the secret final touch, WD-40. Spray a few bursts into the mixture. Watch closely as the oil spreads and forms thin patterns on the surface. It looks strange, oil and acid together, but this combination is the key. WD-40 adds a thin protective layer that keeps metal from rusting and repels moisture. This turns our cleaner into a 3-in-1 solution. It cleans, polishes, and protects. Let's put it to the test. Apply some of the mixture onto a rusty metal surface or a dirty faucet. Rub gently in circles for a few seconds. And look at that. The dirt and rust come off instantly, revealing a bright, shiny surface underneath. The heat-activated mix works even better than store-bought products. Would you try this at home? Here's why it works. Baking soda reacts with vinegar to lift dirt and neutralize acid. Toothpaste adds gentle abrasion and helps polish. Lemon dissolves oxidation and adds shine. WD-40 forms a protective coating to prevent rust. And heating the mixture boosts the chemical activity, making it stronger and more effective. Simple ingredients, powerful results. Always wear gloves when cleaning. Never heat WD-40. Add it only after the mixture cools down. Keep all materials away from open flames and store your cleaner safely out of children's reach. Safety first, creativity second. So what surprised you the most? The bubbling reaction, the heating process, or the final shine? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next experiment will blow your mind. Have you ever seen toothpaste turn into a super powerful cleaner? Probably not. But what happens when we mix toothpaste, salt, vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, and even WD-40? Stay right here, because what you're about to see will shock you. First, toothpaste into the cup, a big amount. Then 1 spoon of salt. Mix it fast. Look at the texture. It's already changing. Have you ever seen toothpaste look like this? Now I pour in vinegar. A lot of it. Why a lot? Because later we're splitting this into 2 completely different cleaners. Can you guess what they'll turn into? Mix again. And now, baking soda. Watch closely. Here comes the reaction. Whew, look at that bubbling. Did you expect it to activate this fast? Now I split the mixture into 2 cups. Cup 1 and cup 2. 2 cups. 2 purposes. 2 results. Thoughtful. Which one do you think will be more powerful? I add 1 spoon of dish soap to each cup. This alone already makes them strong. Surprised. But cup 1 is about to become something crazy. Watch this. I add WD-40 into cup 1. Right away, the mixture transforms. Look at that texture. Thick, strong, reactive. This becomes a paint-removing formula. Yes, paint. The kind you can't remove with normal cleaners. Would you dare try this on a stubborn paint mark? The power in this cup is insane, stronger than most store products. Did you expect toothpaste to do this? Before we continue, where are you watching from? US, UK, Canada, Australia, or somewhere else around the world? Comment your country. I'm always amazed how far these experiments reach. Now look at cup 2. Same base, but without WD-40. Thoughtful. This one becomes a deep cleaning household solution. Grease? Gone. Oil stains? Gone. Dirty tiles? Gone. Even toilet buildup and soap scum? Gone. Which one would you use first? The paint remover or the kitchen cleaner? Toothpaste equals abrasives. Salt equals scrubbing force. Vinegar equals dissolves buildup. Baking soda equals reaction plus lifting effect. Dish soap equals degreasing power. WD-40 equals paint dissolver. Together, two powerful formulas from a single mix. Crazy, right? Don't use the WD-40 mixture near heat or flames. Test on a small area first. This is strong stuff, really strong. So, which one surprised you more? Cup 1, the paint-removing monster, or Cup 2, the kitchen-cleaning powerhouse? Tell me in the comments. And if this reaction impressed you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful DIY experiments. Have you ever imagined what would happen if you poured gasoline onto styrofoam? It sounds dangerous, and it is. But the reaction you're about to see is truly mind-blowing. What starts as a pile of soft foam will soon turn into a powerful glue that can fix almost anything. Stay until the end. The final result will absolutely shock you. Before we begin, remember, gasoline is highly flammable. Always work outdoors, whispering, keep flames away, and wear gloves. Would you ever try this yourself, or just watch safely from home? Tell me below. First, I pour some gasoline into a glass cup. Now I drop the styrofoam pieces into the cup. Almost instantly, they begin to bubble and expand. The surface starts foaming. The gasoline is attacking the styrofoam structure. It's shrinking, melting, and puffing up all at once, like a living creature. Can you hear that faint fizzing sound? That's the chemical reaction in action. Would you keep watching if you saw this in real life? It's mesmerizing, isn't it? I let the mixture sit for a few minutes, and look at this. The cup is almost overflowing now, full of bubbling foam and gas vapors. It's amazing how much the foam has expanded, from light plastic to a dense, sticky mass. What do you think it feels like right now? Liquid or solid? Drop your guess in the comments. After it stops expanding, I carefully pour out the extra gasoline. The remaining mixture looks thick, gooey, and full of air bubbles. You can already tell it's sticky. It clings to the sides of the cup. Would you touch it if you were here, or keep your distance? Now here's where it gets interesting. I add a spoon of baking soda into the sticky foam gasoline mixture and start stirring. Right away, the texture changes. It thickens, stiffens, and turns into a smooth paste. That's because the soda is reacting with the solvent, neutralizing the excess gasoline. Have you ever seen glue form like this before? It's almost magical. Thoughtful. If you were to test this at home, what would you try to glue first? Huckles, wood, metal, or maybe ceramic? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. By the way, Clears 3 Hunger, where are you watching from? We've got viewers from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, and it's awesome seeing you all here. Drop your country below and let's see who's watching tonight. Never heat gasoline or store this mixture in closed containers. Always perform this outdoors and keep water or sand nearby for safety. Would you like me to test how this glue works on metal next time? Comment if yes. 15 minutes later. Here's what's really happening. Gasoline dissolves the polystyrene structure of styrofoam, breaking it down into liquid plastic. Baking soda reacts with the remaining solvent, helping the paste solidify faster. The result is a dense polymer adhesive, flexible at first, but rock hard once cured. Basically, you've just made your own multi-purpose industrial glue. So, who knew that styrofoam and gasoline could create a glue this strong? It's cheap, simple, and surprisingly effective. If you enjoyed this experiment, hit like, subscribe, and share, because the next experiment will surprise you even more.